was going through a lot of pain in my shoulders and in my neck and my back, and honestly didn't know what was wrong. So I drove myself to the ER, and they told me I was having a heart attack. They said, "You're not leaving this hospital without a life vest." Wearing the life vest, it would help me if I was to go into cardiac arrest. And I was explained extremely well by Zoll how to use it, what it's going to do. So I had absolute faith in it. My family thought it was like amazing that it existed. They were extremely happy about it. Honestly, the life vest you should wear every day, because you don't know what's really going on with your heart, but that life vest does. People don't even know you're wearing it. They have no idea it's even there, and you can continue on with your daily life.
The LifeVest is a wearable garment, and the 5 sizes tends to help us not to oversize or undersize the devices. The stitching of the new garment is extremely comfortable, so the patients do not get any discomfort.
It was very comfortable. I had 0 problems wearing it. The life vest is very lightweight. It was extremely easy, and it was soft. Yeah, you just slip it through your arms and it comes through right here, and there's a big clasp that is very easy just to snap it on, and that's it. And for women, we can wear a bra over it. There's a battery pack that you carry. You have it all the time. And then the strap you can just put right over your shoulders.
It's very rare that we see anybody not wearing these devices. Studies which have been published are showing that the patients are mostly wearing the LifeVest from Zoll 23 hours a day. So in our experience of a large population of patients who have gotten Zoll LifeVest, we see minimal complaints about false alarms coming from the devices, and overall experience has been very satisfactory.
It will save your life. It saved mine. I didn't know it was going off, but my husband did, and he was yelling for me to wake up, and I finally did wake up and didn't realize that it went off for a moment, had no idea. And when I came to and sat there for a few minutes, I felt the gel all over and went, oh.
Tanya's case, the chance of survival was minimal without the LifeVest. LifeVest gave her a shock immediately.
Every single person I met at Zoll, every single one of them were so delightful. They really do care about you. They really do want to make sure that you are comfortable, that you have the knowledge. They'll be there anytime they possibly can to assist you with whatever you need.
They are partners in therapy with you, and not just corporation who's running a business model, but they are covering the ecosystem with empathy, care for the patient, feedback to the physician, and trying to make the whole system better.
I'm proud of being able to explain to people what it is and how it did save my life, and how it's a fantastic company.
When you go into your field of any kind, if it changes some outcomes and it saves somebody's life, I can tell you nothing else gives me more satisfaction than somebody's life would save.
I am happy that I am still alive. I have an amazing family, and my husband and friends that very much care about me, and they are extremely happy that I'm alive too.